Hello everyone, my name is Nantongo Barbra Jane from Uganda, running a social enterprise called Smart Kitchen Solutions, envisioning a world where cooking is in harmony with nature. In this, we offer eco-friendly briquets that are smokeless, burns long, and 40% affordable than the existing solutions. My biggest decision I've ever made in life was to join the entrepreneurial journey at Jangu International, where even the world didn't believe that I can make it, and my own mother didn't believe that I can make it on this journey. My humble request to my fellow women is to move out of your comfort zone, believe in yourselves, and take on challenges because they ought to be. The world is so beautiful that both women and men are given the same opportunities, same platforms to unleash their potentials. A strong woman is a strong warrior. If I made it, you can make it. We can make it as women. Thank you.